she was cooling me, but so far has not been good. It's been shitty, and I feel awkward as I